So here on my 1999 Toyota 4Runner, if we come to the rear passenger seat, sometimes it can be hard to lift up. Basically, your jack and tools are underneath here, and if you just pull straight up, it does it with this one, but it won't always come up. Instead of pulling up, like I said, sometimes it'll work, but the secret is to pull this direction or forward. That'll cause the seat to open. But the reason mine was having issues, so if we take a look right here, this little latch is broken. And if you didn't already know this, fun fact, this folds over, and here you have your OEM bottle jacks and tools. And I like to store additional tools under there, like jumper cables. And I need to find you guys the part number for this. I was able to pick up two. I'll try to find you the part number so you could buy a new OEM. So I'm going to be listing this second one on my eBay store in case anyone needs it. Then to remove it, it's just a single Phillips screw. So grab a Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and undo the screw. So we now have the broken one removed. You can throw that part away. And this screw will just thread out of there the rest of the way. Let's take our new one, go ahead and feed the strap through this piece here. And let's feed this portion through here. Line up the hole. And let's tighten that screw/bolt down. Start it by hand if you can to avoid cross threading. Could even add some Loctite on there if you really wanted to. While you're under here, go ahead and give it a vacuum, clean up all your trash. Fold that over nicely, then lift up on your middle seat belt. It likes to fall down sometimes. And gently fold this down. There you go. Now that this is functioning properly, the secret isn't to pull upward. As you can see, if you just pull straight up, the seat will not open, but you gotta pull it this direction. There, and that's the secret. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.